Have you just completed your degree and are you worrying that will I get a job or will I be getting that dream package what I expect? Or are you thinking that should I switch up the career because I'm really not interested in what I'm doing right now? Or do you feel that should you get into an IT career because there are more hikes and many things coming up in IT field nowadays as AI and ML are just running up. So what are you waiting for? I've got you a program named TechEntry. So what does TechEntry do? TechEntry is something like which teaches you something related to coding or like front-end, backend or mobile app development. Here you will be learning person who is more than 5 years experience in an IT field professional, and not only that, we will also provide you things like how to challenge or how to face an interview or how to crack a good package for yourself. Not only that, now you might be thinking that this program might take up to years or something. Nah, it's just 3 months. And who cannot give the 3 months if you need a job? Yeah, we tell you we will provide you with job. But what we need in return is your dedication and hard work. So if you are ready for it, then what are you waiting for? Go now in the bio, click on the link and get yourself signed up. And for more such content, please do like, share and follow our content.